प्रत्येक फेस्टिवलाक ताची स्पेशल थाळी लोकां खातीर दवरपी सिदाते गोवान चवथे निमतान सारस्वत व्हेजिटेरियन थाळी तयार केल्या. 20 ऑगस्ट ते 27 ऑगस्ट मेरेन ती आसतली. पळोवया कितें कितें आसा ह्या स्पेशल सारस्वत व्हेजिटेरियन थाळींत.
Welcome to Siddhartha Goa for the lovely Saraswat vegetarian thali that we will be showcasing very soon. We are having a Saraswat vegetarian thali promotion from the 20th to the 27th of August every day for lunch and dinner at the Cafe Azul. Whenever you decide, do drop by. You know, we have the specialities from the Saraswat region, the Konkan region, where the Saraswat Brahmins are making this speciality, especially at this time, celebrating vegetarian food during the Shravan, and then of course the Ganesh Chaturthi, which is coming up. The whole week from 20th to 27th, we have the specialities like the Kokum the Fodi, Tamadi Bhaji, Sar, Uddamethi, and Varan, Modak, Mangane, the specialities, everything over here. Do try.
घेऊया एक ब्रेक.